to get haunted. I'm sorry. It happens in life like that. I know Ben is like that all the time. I'm gonna go get my revenge on him. And he's gonna learn a lesson never to hurt my brother again. Right now.